So day after 12, part 2, unpulling. So I started this edge and realized I didn't have enough. So I am unpulling. Do not be afraid to unpull your work. I know that you spent time making it, but unpulling it and being able to start again is it's a hurdle that lots of people never get over. But if you manage to get over it and realize that nothing's wrong, nothing's broken, you've still got the same amount of wool, and you can rebuild it better, stronger and faster. So I unpull it first into a nice pile, and I don't try and roll it at the same time. So after unpulling scarves for a little while now, I've realised that there's actually a way to unpull stuff. So where I connected that corner, now what I need to do is carefully unweave the end so that I can find the place to put my hook back into, and remembering going anti-clockwise. So put my hook in and 1, 2, rebuild that last edge. So we're going to untie that, and sometimes knots can be a bit hard, so you get a little crochet hook and you stick it into the middle of the knot and you waggle it around, and usually that's enough to unstick any knot that you've tied. And we're going to go our 1, 2, 3. So here's my new plan. My new plan goes like this. I have this, and then I have this. And this is so soft. This is beautiful. And so this is going to go as my row before my finishing row, and I'm deciding whether if it's thick enough or not, and I'm feeling that the answer to that question is or not. So I'm just adding a darker blue into there just to bulk it out a bit, and I'm going to do another row. So we'll tie that on and get that going. And I feel better that I've shown you that we have a plan. So we'll come back to that, 2, 3, tomorrow. Have a good day.